Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your documents. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Google Street View into your Bit documents. Go to Google Street View and search for the address you want to embed, and click on the three dots on the top left corner. On the pop-up, click on Copy Link. Now head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the Google Street View inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.